Now, do you have any story that was more on the emotional side?
Yeah, let me think. So, well, I have a client right now currently who I'm dealing with who's had a traumatic childhood, traumatic adulthood as well in terms of family, where she's not got the love. She's been really she's been made to feel very rejected, dejected, and sort of all the responsibilities have come onto her. Like her younger brother is specially abled, so she's got to take care of him, and the parents have gone their way with their respective partners, and a lot has come onto her. So when she first came to me, about like 4 weeks back, she was at the weight of 96, and in 4 weeks now she's down to 92. But what I first dealt with her was not the diet, because that's really not the first thing when you meet such clients who are dealing with so many emotions to process, and the burden that they are holding on, the baggage that they're coming with. You need to first unburden them, because what happens when you give them a certain plan or a certain protocol to follow, that can also feel very burdensome for them, because they themselves are dealing with a lot. So to make it easy for her, I kept the diet plan really simple to whatever she could follow, whatever she could have access to, because that was not my first point of focus. My point of focus was her mind. So I got her into a routine, and there were certain non-negotiables which I asked her to do in the day, which in terms of breath work, meditation, listening to certain affirmations, some subconscious reprogramming, like how to replace and how to recognize and replace your negative belief systems. And in the first few weeks she did that. She was also working with her psychiatrist at the same time. So in sync with the two of us, she has come to a point where now she can hold herself and walk on the next step and be like, okay, I'm ready for this. I'm ready to work out. I'm ready to make few more changes in my diet, which may feel uncomfortable, but I'm ready for it. So, you have to get a person to the point of readiness before you make bigger changes in their life, because otherwise they'll drop out. They'll find it too overwhelming and they'll be like, I can't. And she's feeling better. She's able to handle her emotions better. In the first session when she came to me, she was just the question that, hi, how are you? Would drop her into tears.
Wow.
And now she walks in happy. It's just 4 weeks and she walks in happy and she's like, I'm better. Even if I'm feeling something, it's okay. I'm dealing with it. I'm better. So I suddenly see these people becoming stronger emotionally. They may not realize it so much, but when I sit on this side of the chair and I know how broken and vulnerable they were in the beginning to how strong they are getting, I know they are on the right track. I know they are doing the right thing, and we will get to the results. So she has hormonal issues and she has insulin resistance and a lot of weight and a couple of other health issues as well. But I know that will get reversed once we are dealing with the emotions well. And once she's okay to accept the realities, forgive, let go of the grudges and empty herself out, because what are we going to hold and take back? The life is so impermanent. We all are going to go one day. What are we holding on to, right? So that's what I'm actually training her with right now.